Hi guys, welcome back to the Cold Factory. It's Raquel. Today is going to be a very short video on my hair coaching as well as the masterclasses that I've decided to do. And I'm just going to share with you guys the reason why I've branched out into these particular areas. My YouTube channel is always going to be here. I'm still going to be posting videos. I'm still going to be sharing with you guys. But I've noticed that over time, I always get so many questions in my inbox, and there's so many women who need the guidance. And that's why I started the coaching sessions, which I'm absolutely enjoying. Meeting you guys, seeing you guys. Thank you to everyone who has signed up. I know most of you don't know who has signed up or if anybody has signed up, but I'm grateful for the support and the number of people that have signed up for the coaching sessions. I am having an absolute blast, and I'm sharing tips, I'm sharing information and insights that it's sometimes very difficult to do in a YouTube video, because a YouTube video is very specific. I'm talking about something very, very specific. Or if you're sending me a message, text only goes so far. But to be able to chat and for you to tell me specific things and areas that you are struggling with, I can actually talk to you and guide you. When it comes to the master classes, hair education is so important, and it's COVID-19. Hair events are something that are not happening. Even at a hair event, because I've been to hair events, you might leave with one or two takeaways. Or if you go to Clicks Curls as an example, there are master classes, but they get full so quick, so not everybody goes to the master classes, or there aren't any master classes, or they full and you never got to go. So the master classes are really a place where we also get to chat. They on Zoom. We have Zoom sessions, or we're going to have Zoom sessions, because I'm filming this video in the beginning of August and the first masterclass is coming up. So it's really a place where all these big terms, all the terminology in the natural hair community that we learn and see, we don't really understand. So join the master classes, guys. We are going to do it in small groups. If the numbers continue to grow, we might make the groups a little bit bigger, but not too big where you feel lost. A place where you can have me just explain certain things and guide you through this natural hair journey and the different terms and concepts. So it's really hair education. We need to understand our hair. We need to understand the natural hair movements, or the natural hair philosophy and ideas of things. So do join the master classes, guys. This is for us, by us, a South African natural hair YouTuber, natural hair vlogger, natural hair enthusiast, whatever you want to refer to me as, somebody who's been on this journey for a long time. I've learned a lot, I've experienced a lot, I've tried so many things, so many products, and I have a YouTube channel with so many videos for anyone who's kind of wondering. So this is just a place for us to learn, a place for us to share. So do join the masterclasses, and I'm just sharing this video to just let you guys know the reason why hair education is so important. I'm going to try and do them once a month, fingers crossed. But do sign up, guys. Drop me an email. I'll put my email in the description box again. And as always, you will see me in another video. Bye.